fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.
Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing down below. Just click on the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have my July Stitch Fix ready to open and share with you guys. But for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, I made a quick 3-minute little video over here. If you look up in the corner at any point in the video, if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix out for your first time and to know all the basic details, just click on that video and it'll describe all the basic information that you need to know. And there will also be a link in there to get $25 off your first box. So with that said, let's go ahead and open it and see what I received this month. Now I did go ahead and already cut the tape, and I did peek on the website, so I already kind of know what I got. I did request one item, and I saw it on someone else's channel, Janine's channel. I will leave a link up here to her channel if you're interested in looking her up. She is also another YouTuber and she does a lot of Stitch Fix unboxings. But she tried this one shirt on and it is in here, yay! And I requested it, so I'm happy that I got it. So anyway, here is my inventory, or my invoice with everything on here, including my prices. And I also received a $25 credit from one of you fabulous people who used my link. I will leave her name right down here on the bottom of the screen. Thank you, a special thank you to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you do watch this video, please let me know how you liked your first box. I would love to know. Okay, so that's the invoice. And also, here is your style card that you get with everything in here. It has all your items and it has a note from your stylist. So I'm going to go ahead and read the note from my stylist. I have Val today, and she says, "Hello, lovely Sheila. Welcome to your fix. Now that summer is here to stay for a while, I focus on sending you a mix of fun and fresh pieces that will keep you looking fabulous and staying comfortable during these hot and sunny days ahead. I know this summer might look a little different than previous ones." Very true. But I hope this fix makes you excited about the sunny days ahead. Let's get started with the black asymmetrical cold shoulder top by Gold Ray. That's the one I requested. I was so excited to be able to find this piece for you. I hope it brings a smile to your face as well. Pair it with the black button front frayed hem shorts by Vigos. I know that you had requested a different brand, and I did. I requested a pair of Bermuda shorts, but oh well. But I hope these are a close match to what you were looking for, or you can dress it up by pairing this top with a blue skirt by Max Studio. I hope you love this fix, XO Val. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna go through each piece real quick and I'm gonna show you. Now, this is the one I requested. It's right here on the top. And it doesn't look like much when you're holding it up, but it has a cute one cold shoulder, for lack of better words. It is only on one side and it has a really unique, interesting neckline, and that's what kind of drew me to it. So I hope it looks as good on me as it did on Janine. But this is the Gold Ray Garma Asymmetrical Cold Shoulder for $48. And I am very, very impressed because this also is double lined in the front. So it's super thick in the front, so I like that. So, very good. All right, let's go on to the next item. And this is a shirt by Paper Moon, which almost every box I end up buying one of these these halter style tops. And I'm getting quite the collection. So I don't know if I should keep this one or not, but you never know, I might need one more. But who is this by? This is by Paper Moon, Samilia halter knit top for $34. Let's see, that's $34. They're very, you could put these with anything. You could put these with jeans and then put a white jacket on with it. And I just love these tops. And it's a good price, right? $34. All right, and here is going to be the skirt, which it is very, very lovely. It is also lined, so you don't have to worry about that. And who is this by? Max Studio. And I think my first impression of this, I think I'm gonna like it. It has a very stretchy part that goes on the stomach, and then it goes down into like these little pleatings. So it depends on how it lays on the body, but that's going to be super, super comfortable, I can tell. This is Max Studio Cassie skirt in blue for $48. Great price, great price. So yeah, that'll look probably really cute with like a little white shirt maybe to pick up on the white flowers. Okay, we have another item out, and this is a top from West Key, which I love West Key tops usually, and I love this style too. This is the West Key Allura Knot Detail Top in navy for $42. And it's a very thin summer lightweight shirt. It has a little knot in the front if that's picking up, and it looks like a little bit longer in the back. It is a navy blue. I don't know if that's coming across on the screen with these beautiful white flowers. So that's a very nice shirt. Okay, here's the last item out of the box, and that is going to be this By Gosh shorts. And these are Ace high-rise button front shorts in the color black for $48. And it's not a deep black, it's more like a faded out black with little raw hemline there. Super stretchy. I don't know, does it say the rise on these? They don't look super long. They are going to be an iffy size or an iffy length for me, so I don't know. I'll try them on, we'll see. Okay, so that's everything. Let's go ahead and try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, here is the first outfit. I put the West Key blouse on with the button shorts, or button front shorts, I should say. So we'll start with the top first. This was a $48 West Key top, and I love a floral print, and it's very lightweight, would be great for summer, and I think it looks cute. I love the sleeves. I love how it goes a little bit longer in the back. I love the V-neck. Very lightweight, comfortable, almost feels like nothing. Now the shorts, these were $42, and these are the button fly front shorts. 2 pockets in the front, 2 pockets in the back. Super stretchy, super comfortable. I don't know, the length are right there on the borderline where if I'm comfortable or not in them. I'm gonna have to look back at the video footage, but I'm not in love with them. I think if they were a true black short, I might like them a little bit more, but because they're kind of like a faded out black, they kind of already look not fresh. So maybe they look like something from last summer that I've washed a lot. So I don't know if I care for that, but I will look at the video and I'll listen to you guys and see what your guys' opinions are. But 48, 42, first outfit. What do you think? Okay, I will be back with the next 2 items. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I'm back with the Paper Moon shirt. That was $34, great price. But like I said, I own a lot of these halter style tops already, so I don't even know if I want to keep this. Because I just have so many. It's just a different pattern, a different day. But it's cute. I just left them paired with the pair of shorts that I had on. And this is the way it looks. very flowy. I just front tucked it a little bit with the shorts to see how it would look, but this is how it would look untucked. So not a bad shirt, just have a lot of them. So do I really need to buy another one right now? Okay, 2 more items. I'll be back with the next piece. Okay, everyone, here's the last 2 pieces out of the box. But before I start, I wanted to remind everyone, I have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave the link up here. Just click on this if you're interested in entering it. It's my 500 subscriber giveaway, and it's just my appreciation to you guys for supporting me and watching me. So definitely go check that out if you have not entered yet. It's going to be until July 14th, 2020. So if you're watching it after that, I'm sorry, but it's already over. But anyway, back to this outfit. Okay, these are the last 2 pieces out of the box, and this was the shirt I requested, and this is the skirt that she had me pair it with. Now I'll come in closer to show you the shirt. I'm going to start with the positives. I requested this shirt. I really loved it. I'm kind of on the fence though once I've tried it on, so I don't know. I'm going to have to look back at the video footage to make up my mind. But there are aspects of this shirt that I absolutely love. I love that it's double lined. It's like thick, but it's not super thick. And I love this cutout design. I just think it's so fun. It's one shoulder. I have nothing like this. I love that it comes down to the elbow. So it's not a short sleeve, but it's not a long sleeve. It's just perfect. And it is very stretchy and comfortable, even though it kind of like goes back to, you know, looking form-fitting. It's very stretchy. It's not confining, actually. So it's cute. I don't know. I'm going to have to look back at the video footage. I'm kind of more sensitive about this area, so it's going to have to, I don't know. Okay, anyway, let's move on to the skirt. The skirt is super cute, lightweight. It has a liner underneath it, and it's so flowy. Like, it's just like, woo, one of those skirts, like you could just, you know, very summery, beautiful, cute little skirt. Now, if I were to pair this, I would probably pair it more with a white shirt so it would pick up on the little white flowers that's in it. I think that might look cute. So let's go ahead and do the wrap up. Like I said, I'm unsure about the shirt. I love it. I love aspects of it, but I don't know if I'm going to feel, you know, if you feel subconscious of something, are you going to really wear it? I don't know. I'm going to try to pair this skirt with a white shirt, go back in the room and see what I think of it paired with a white before I make my final decision on this. So this outfit's still up in the air. Let's go ahead and do the wrap up. This top, I'm going to say no to only because it's a great price, $34, but I have a lot of these and I need to move on from this style right now. This, my husband liked it. He came home and he thought they looked good on me. But I just don't like the faded black look. They look like they're old already. If they were like in a true rich black, almost like the shirt I'm wearing, I would probably keep these. Or like a denim blue, a dark denim blue, I would like them. I just don't like the color. I don't know, maybe I could find out if I can exchange it for another color. Because I think that's the only thing that's throwing me off, because they were really super comfortable too. And the button front didn't bother me at all. So it was very super comfortable and I really liked that. And the length was right there on the borderline where, you know, but they were okay. This is probably definitely going to be a keeper. This one I loved. I could put this with white shorts, white skirt. I could put it with a denim skirt, which is my usual go-to on my bottoms. So this is definitely probably going to be a keeper. It's $48. I have my credit due to my fabulous viewer who used my link. Thank you so much. Really, I do appreciate that. Really helps me out. I do these videos just because I love to do these videos, but when you get someone who uses your link and they give you a little credit, it's like really like, woohoo, a little surprise. So that's awesome. Okay, so remember I have my giveaway going on. Go check that out. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. It helped me. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I would love all your help to get me to 1,000. And I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful 4th of July. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.